Alright, let's have a look at how to do some formatting now that we are in Excel. You'll notice I started my text in the third box down and third row along. That just gives me a bit of room to play with if I change my mind about these things. Not that you can't already insert an extra one if you want to, an extra row here or an extra column here, that's fine to do as well. What I'm going to show you now is from here, let's make these things bold to start with. So you highlight the cells you want, you click on the B for bold. It's pretty simple stuff. Next thing that sort of rattles people sometimes when they first work with Excel is how to make it look more organised using borders. So I'm going to highlight these cells, and this here is the border tool. It's got a lot of options. The one that's automatic as soon as you open it in the very start is the bottom border. So it's like I want to underline all those cells, and basically I click that button. Now nothing that's appeared to have happened yet. It's because you can't see it while I've got them highlighted, but if I click over here you'll notice there's a line at the bottom of those cells now. Alright, other things you might want to do. These cells here, they're totals. They added up each column, so I'm going to put a line on top of those. So I highlight those cells and I go top border, and now I've got a line above those. It's also something you might like to do. I'm going to put a line above this one as well, and in this one I'm going to write totals. There we go. Now I've got totals here. Sometimes I want to make sure that you can see that totals is referring to these things over here, so I'm going to put this and make it so that the word appears on this side of the box. So that's the justification options. You've got left, middle and right. I'm going to make it right. And you can move the text over to the right side of the box if you like. I could also center it and do a few other things. Okay, they're just a few of the tools we've got. You can also put borders down one side of this. So if I wanted to highlight those, then I could go right border, and on the right side of those cells there would now be a border to show that. I don't really like the look of that, I'm fine without it. So I'm going to undo it, Control Z, and then you can see how that works. That was the undo button. If I want to redo that, I go like that, and it's redone. If I want to undo it, I go like that, and it's undone. Okay, that's some basics there. What we'll now work on is how to format these. This is all about money, a few of these, so we're going to change these to money cells. Notice how 25.7 doesn't really look like money. What I'm going to do now is highlight those and just click this little money button here. Now that tells us that we're going to change the format of those cells to being money ones. That's a counting number format. So I'll click that and it comes up as such. So it knows it's dollars and it knows that it has 2 places after the decimal point. This is also money. I'm going to change those to money as well. And that's a few of the basics for Excel.